welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company, and I'm looking like this without having to do anything. This wig literally came like this. The only thing that I had to do was just to separate the curls so that I can make this wig a little bit, fuller. That's the only thing that I did. Like, I am so impressed. This wig is 10 out of 10 minus nothing. Luvme Hair said, if you are a beginner and you do not want to stress about gluing your hair down, you do not want to stress about cutting your lace, we've got you covered. Okay, so this is a everything kind of a wig. I'm really excited to show you guys how I achieved this look. I don't even know what look I achieved because this wig literally came like this. Okay, I cannot stress this enough. I'm looking gorgeous without having to do much. Like, literally, if you are a 9-to-5 girl, you just put this on your mannequin when you come back from work. The following day, you just take it. Not even 2 minutes. Like, literally, I feel like 30 seconds is enough to put on this wig and get out of the door. Like, girl, this is absolutely gorgeous. I love everything about this wig. I cannot stop looking at myself. Right here, I have a mirror, so I cannot even stop looking at myself. So without any further ado, guys, let's get straight into today's video. But before that, please do check in the description box for more information and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company. And guess what? This is a frontal wig. Let's get straight into today's video. So I'm going to do an unboxing so that you know what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. This is their box. It is purple and silver. I love it. I love the color. I always say that purple is literally my favorite color. So I'm going to show you guys what is inside. They were kind enough to send me all the nice goodies, and if you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company, you're going to get the same goodies as I am showing you, or even more. Okay, so the first thing that they were kind enough to send me was this wig storage bag. It is actually branded, a branded Luvme Hair scarf, branded bonnet, 2 wig caps, and a Luvme Hair edge brush and edge comb. So I do know that most of you guys do not like gluing down your wigs. Just like me, I really do not like gluing down my wig so that I can protect my edges, baby. And Luvme Hair said, baby girl, we've got you covered. I've got a deep wave wig right here and it is looking absolutely gorgeous. Before we get into the quality, I just want to show you guys that this wig literally came pre-plucked, pre-everything, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut. You don't have to do anything. All you need to do is just put it on your head and you are good to go. This is how the wig is looking. Look at that hairline. It is absolutely natural, and this is how the wig looks inside. It is a 13x5 frontal lace closure wig, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 combs, an adjustable belt. And I also love the fact that if you're a beginner, all you need to do is just put on this wig and you are good to go. Look how nice and flat this part is, so meaning this wig came pre-styled. Okay, so we're going to put her on and let's see how she's going to look. Yes, nice and snug, number 1. So make sure that you adjust your belts. Make sure that you adjust your wig band and your wig will be nice and snug. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Okay, let me fix this part. Okay, Luvme Hair. Let's fix this side. Wow. Guys, I'm so happy. This is a glueless frontal wig, and it is not, look guys, I can run, I can move my head. Literally guys, this wig is not going anywhere. I'm so happy. I love a good wig. Look at that. Look at that. Guys, it came like this. I can use so straight from the box. to my head. So Love Me Hair said, baby girl, you don't have to do much. You don't have to do much to this wig. Okay, all you need to do is literally put on this wig and you're gonna look this stunning. I'm happy. I'm really happy, guys. Oh my goodness, look at the curls. This is a deep wave wig. I think y'all can tell that I'm really happy. Oh my goodness, my husband is coming back from work and I'm pretty sure he's gonna love this wig. He is going to go crazy over this wig. I'm just gonna separate the curls. Guys, they don't call me curly memes for nothing. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Love Me Hair. This is 10 out of 10. Wow. Guys, I just want to show you, né? In case you think I'm lying. Do you see? Glueless. Do you see? Do you guys see? No glue. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. There you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram at curly memes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Love Me Hair Company. Until next time, bye guys.